Professor Lindop. I'm a lecturer in finance and I'm the programme leader of the MSc suite in finance. We offer two programmes currently, an MSc in international finance and an MSc in international finance and banking. You'll develop a thorough understanding of the financial services industry in general and the banking sector in particular in an international monetary system. The kind of topics that we offer are research methods, corporate governance, modern banking, international financial regulation, financial assets and markets. The course is structured, it's over 1 year, so there's actually 3 semesters. So semester 1 and semester 2 is taught provision, where you would have a mixture of lectures and the small group teaching tutorials. And then semester 3 would be a dissertation, which takes place over the summer months, where you'll be allocated a supervisor, who will be able to help with your topic and develop your research. Seminars are the small group teaching, and in seminars you'll be required to come up with your own ideas, to defend them, to justify and to express them to your peers. So you will be expected to do the work beforehand and to come to the seminars and be able to debate and defend your position. Studying this degree gives you a superb opportunity for you to gain expert knowledge in the forces that move the global economy. We are one of only 20 business schools in the world that have gained the accreditation of the Association of MBAs. So studying here means that you get the expertise and the tutelage from our staff. Studying this master's degree will enable you to nurture a skill set that will be highly sought by any business or postgraduate workplace. Obviously, studying a finance master's would be highly sought after for any career aspirations that you may have in the finance and banking sector. Aberystwyth is a really student-focused town. It's a campus university, so it's a safe and friendly place to live, very community-driven. And also we've got an established pedigree and heritage in providing undergraduate and postgraduate education.